Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Menteri Kena Sorgar Pedeng Bapak Ikatna Skill Development, Entrepreneurship, Electronics and Information Technology. Uti Rajiv Chandrasekhar. Ulo ang baka BJP kan sebut Ryntih ya Jingbthah Joka Election Commission. Daka ba ajing tip sapang ki kertong ki badan ya gidak sniu. Hak jing akan bigala patai kubur hanong ba Shalong Chandrasekhar ulo ang baka BJP kan buat ba ya Jingbthah Joka Commission la kalong ha Karnataka, ha Pondicherry, ha Gujarat, ha Uttar Pradesh. Ikendon Joka Election Commission gidi-giju kiba omla satya banyak laj.
This is a mandatory requirement for many years now that every candidate has to advertise, I think it is twice before a polling date, his antecedents, any criminal record that he has, and the BJP candidates will do the same. We have been doing the same, whether it is in Karnataka, whether it is in Puducherry, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, everywhere we follow the rules and norms that are laid down by the Election Commission. Look, our proposition to the people and the voters of Meghalaya is a very distinctly different proposition. We are here to serve the people of Meghalaya and to work together to create a brighter future. And it is for the people of Meghalaya, the voters of Meghalaya, to respond to that or to be swayed by the opportunistic politics of either a dynasty party or a party imported from West Bengal. So that is for the voters of Meghalaya to decide. I will not second guess what their response will be, but we will certainly work very hard to gain their trust. We certainly believe that we as a party under our leadership of our Prime Minister and our local leaders here can build a much better future for Meghalaya than any other party today that has existed for the last 50 years, whether it's a dynasty party or it is a party that has recently discovered that West Bengal is shaky and therefore they need to look for other states. Either of those parties, we think we will do a much better job, we will serve the people of Meghalaya much better, and that is our proposition, and we hope the voters give us a chance.